Guys, now we have the cover page. We're gonna insert now another page. We go to insert and we want to do a manual break, and we're gonna tell it a page break. And we already have the second page. So we're gonna put the next title here. Is this is your paper title. So basically, this title gets repeated here as well. So it's the same thing that we take this one and just paste it here. And then we can start by text, putting your text here. This is my text for my academic paper. So I'm gonna just copy this and paste it many times because all I need is to do is have a lot of text. Alright, now we have to change the alignment of this, and we're gonna make sure this aligned to the left. Tab, insert the tab, and I'm just gonna copy this again, but I'm gonna do this is your primary title. Put some text here, and this is your secondary title. And the reason I'm emphasizing this is because they is for the table of content. So here's where this changes a little bit. All right, so you're gonna have here another set of options, which is pretty different or unique. I'm not gonna say it's cool, but it's pretty handy. Uh, Secondary titles are always gonna be heading 2, so we're gonna make that heading 2. Make this heading 2, and let's make this bold. Right, we can modify this one. Okay, so I'm gonna say that this is gonna be times New Roman. It's gonna be bold 12. So what I'm doing is I'm editing the header too, and you say okay, and I'm gonna do the same for the primary header. I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna say it's gonna be times New Roman, and it's gonna be in bold and standard times New Roman bold 12. Okay, and just make sure it's centered. This one goes center because this is alignment center. Okay, all right, I didn't take it. It's set to heading 1, centered bold. Okay, that's what it should look like. And sometimes they can get a little bit feisty, but as the important thing is that you have it set as heading 1, and then you have this one set as heading 2. Okay, heading 1, heading 1, heading 2. Okay, so once you set those up, we're gonna go into the insert, and we're gonna use tables, not tables. Index, here it is, index and tables. And this is the what is going to look. It's going to read tables and content. Um, the styles, you can modify all this as you want. But again, this is trial and error. Let's go over here, table of content, and then absorb. This is heading 1. Okay, and this is heading 2. Now you have to double click it, and now that now we can update this table, and there it is. All right. So once you have that, we can now insert another page break, and you have the table of contents here as well. All right. So this is it for this table of content, assigning headers, make sure you double click on them so you don't go through the same thing. Double click on it to apply whatever you setting you're set. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Take care.